Price Pfister shower valve. We're gonna change it, and we're gonna take this off and turn this to unscrew it. Okay, let's just keep it in safe place somewhere, and this should pop out. And take a screw and pop this out. Make sure at this time that your main water supply is off, because as soon as you unscrew these 4 screws, the water is going to come out. So we're going to unscrew these and go cross way. The leftover water is going to drain.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, let me just unscrew this. And put it in a way so that you know which screw goes where. Huh?
Are they all different sizes?
Probably.
No,
they're same size.
Yeah, so
But yeah, same size.
No, you need that screw a little more.
Got it?
Yeah, it should be good.
Okay, so this plate comes off. This plate you need to keep it safe place. Like this, okay. And this is the valve, so that should just pop out. It pops out, and this part should be pop out too.
It's just screws holding this now.
Yeah, there you go. So these are 2 parts. Some valves come like this in 2 parts, but the new one actually could be just 1 part. So it doesn't matter like this one. This is just 1 part together. So if you get this one, that's okay too. Either one is fine. So make sure these rubber valves, there is no rubber valves here. Rubber things, which should be here. These rubber things, sometimes they get stuck over there. So make sure you remove these rubber things, whatever it's called. Okay, now we're gonna make sure it's clean. There is no debris, there is no dirt or anything else here. It's clean. Remove anything if there is something, so like this. And then put the new valve. When you put the new valve, make sure this is at the base. And this thing is turned this way. So this goes in vertical upward direction. So that when it's going to turn all the way, it's going to make the water hot. If it is turned halfway, then it's not going to completely turn the water hot. So make sure this faces upward and this is down at the base.